It's hard to see, but that elevator's broken. This one works though. Listen over to the Florida Atlantic University Student Union. We have Mowrey here. Never seen it near Mowrey before, so this is interesting. Here we go. Here were 2. Let's go back down to 1. I'm willing to bet these are C's buttons. I think it's an Epco lantern. Here's your COP, 4,000 pound capacity. Mowrey. C's buttons, 88 phone. This is a nice cab. It's obviously modded something older. Whoa, that was weird. US maybe? Montgomery? Not too sure. Here we go. Interesting buttons. Could be PTL too. Oh wow, look at that. There goes that one.